Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pay with Cash App without using a card. So let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this WikiHow article because in my region, Cash App is not available, and I can't access either the app, can't download it, can't install it, or even access the site. So I'll need to use this as a supplement. I hope you guys don't mind. Now, what you can do to pay without using a Cash App card, you can connect it to Google Pay or Apple Pay if you have that card, and then you won't need to use the card again, so you can just pay directly from your phone if you want to. And if the merchant has a Cash App account, you can directly transfer funds to them. And if you see a register with a QR code for Cash App, you can use the QR code scanner within the Cash App app to scan it and pay through that. Now, to use Google Pay or Apple Pay, you just need to open up Cash App, then you need to tap on the card icon in the bottom left, and then you can add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay by clicking on that, and it'll change depending on if your phone is iPhone or Android, of course. Then once you enter the card number, just click next, and then once you fill in everything that needs to be filled in, your Cash App will be added to your Google Pay or Apple Pay account. Other than that, of course, you can open up Cash App, type in the amount you want to pay somebody, and then pay it. Just enter the name, cash tag, phone, or email of the merchant you're trying to pay, and under for you can enter the details of your purchase, and then just click pay, and that should be it. And other than that, again, you can use Cash App Pay. Just enter Cash App, click on the QR code in the top left, and then just scan the QR code next to the register, and you should after that get a prompt how much money you would like to pay, and then just tap pay, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.